Alright, doing my Escovitch fish now. Whole snapper that I slice up, and I'm gonna season now to do my Escovitch. So I'm just putting a little bit of that marinade there, and I'm adding this to it with some salt and black pepper. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then we're gonna fry it. Alright, so let it sit and we're gonna have some flour with a little seasoning and a little cornmeal. But normally when I'm doing Escovitch I don't flour, but because it's this type of fish, so I'm using the flour, giving me a better hold, and oil is nice and hot. And even though you season your fish, you still want to season your flour because you don't want to have a bland paste coating. You can also add a little, well no, don't add that. So a bit of oil in the pot. Bay leaf, adding my carrots, adding everything all at once. I don't want my fingers to touch the pepper. Alright, let this caramelize a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and add my vinegar and a pinch of sugar and salt. Add my vinegar. I'm gonna let this sit and cook 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn this off. Check my fish ready. We'll make them drain. That Escovitch sauce all over it. Put it so you can marinate in the fish and give it that vinegar peppery taste. Nice. Now that onion and vinegar and currants and everything will preserve it. So you can even leave this on the dinner table until tomorrow and nothing will happen to it.